Hello and welcome. My name is Desmond Ryan and I'm an Associate Professor at the School of Law in Trinity College, Dublin and Director of our LL.M programmes. The purpose of this short video is to give you a brief introduction to the Trinity Law School and to the LL.M programmes that we have on offer for you. Trinity is Ireland's leading law school and is recognised internationally as such. Dating back to 1740, it's one of Europe's oldest and leading law schools with a beautiful historic campus that is a joy to work and study in. We are a scholarly community dedicated to the critical engagement with legal challenges, emerging questions in the law, and broader issues of legal relevance that confront modern communities. We have an extremely strong network of alumni, including leading judges, lawyers, policymakers, presidents of Ireland, chief justices, and public representatives across the globe. Our academic staff are widely recognised for their expertise in a diverse range of legal areas and are recognised internationally for the strength of their publications and their teaching. Here at the law school, we offer a total of 5 postgraduate taught programmes. 4 of these are LL.M programmes, which I'll speak briefly about, and the 5th is an MSc in Law and Finance, on which there is a separate video to watch. Just to say a little bit about the structure of the LL.M programme before I deal with each of them specifically, the first thing to note is that as an advanced programme of graduate study, the LL.M degree encourages independent learning and innovative thinking in a supportive academic community and attracts students from around the world. It is taught over a period of 1 academic year on a full-time basis, commencing every year in September, and the year is divided into 2 semesters, during each of which students are required to take 3 modules, 6 modules in total throughout the year. The other crucial academic component to note about the programme is that all students get the opportunity to complete a research dissertation. This is an essential part of the programme, and it involves you selecting a particular approved theme that you want to write on. It's an opportunity to really take a deep dive into a legal area in which you wish to specialise and really make your own. And in order to do this, students work in thematic dissertation groups, each led by an academic with a particular interest in that broad area of law. And students are able to choose a group based on the research dissertation that they wish to pursue. Dissertation groups meet throughout the academic year, following a schedule which develops their research and writing skills under the guidance of an academic leader. And this is a fantastic way to improve presentation and expression skills. So I'm now going to turn to each of the 4 separate LL.M programmes available here in Trinity. The first is the General LL.M. This is our flagship programme, and it offers students the opportunity for postgraduate study where you can select modules from a very substantial list of modules covering the disparate branches of law. If at this stage you're not entirely sure as to a specific specialisation you want to choose, then this is a great option for you. And you can complete your dissertation on any aspect of law subject to approval. We then have 3 more specialised programmes, which may be more suitable for you if you have a particular wish to focus your studies in a particular area. And these are, first, the LL.M in International and Comparative Law, clearly extremely important in the context of globalisation and offering a diverse array of modules taught by experts in their fields, to include international humanitarian law, comparative civil rights, and business and human rights. We also have an LLM in international and European business law, designed for graduates who wish to specialise in business law with a view to pursuing their research interests in this field, or in preparing to work in busy international commercial firms or legal practice across the globe. Finally, there's an LLM in intellectual property and information technology law. And here there is the opportunity to focus on two very emerging areas of law, with modules including data protection, cybersecurity law, the regulation of cyber speech, copyright law, trademark and design law, patent law, amongst others. So those are the 4 LLM programs in addition to the MSc in Law and Finance, and that's given you an indication as to the nature of the programs. But I would also emphasise the rich range of student societies and extracurricular activities available here in the law school as a postgraduate student. You'll find lots of details about this, as well as about scholarship opportunities and specific benefits in terms of employability and career options in the information available on the website. And I would also point you particularly there in relation to admissions to specific guidance as to how precisely to apply. Just to note in relation to admissions that whilst there is a closing date for applications of the 31st of May, we strongly encourage early applications to avoid disappointment. I hope that this brief discussion has been helpful for you in telling you about the LLM programs. Here in Trinity, we'd be delighted to welcome your application, and I look forward to working with you and indeed to meeting you in the event that you apply successfully to our programs. The best of luck, and thank you for your attention. Goodbye.